have 6.
Oh my god. Okay, really quick commercial break. Gotta put my Invisalign back in. Actually, I can only put my bottom Invisalign in because if I put both, I can't talk.
Why don't you just wait then until after the video?
Well, because my bottom teeth are super crooked, so like those need the Invisalign way more, you know?
Pretty sure it doesn't really work unless you have both of them in.
What is, okay, Jesus wants to join the party. Ooh. So Zach and I realized we found out a hack for Olive Garden because we love Olive Garden and we go there literally 24/7. The hack is to just get the all-you-can-eat soup, salad, and breadsticks. One person orders it, so you only pay 10 bucks, and the other person gets to just mooch on off. And whoa, you're blinding me. Really quick before we get started with today's video, I just wanted to come on here and mention an app called Poshmark, which I'm sure you guys have all already heard about. Basically, if you don't know what it is, it's just a free app where you can buy or sell new and used clothes. It's not limited to clothing, however. You can buy accessories, purses, jewelry, phone cases. They have all different types of brands such as Nike, Adidas, Michael Kors. It's just a fun and easy way to make a little bit of extra cash on the side. So if you're trying to get some coin, Poshmark is a really simple way to do that. I'll have my closet linked in the description down below, as well as a link you guys can click to go and download the Poshmark app. Also, don't forget to comment your closet handles in the comment section below because I'm a shopaholic and you already know I'm gonna be snooping through your guys' closets. I'm just gonna show you really quickly a couple things I have listed in my closet. So one of them is this cute Calvin Klein fanny pack. Another thing that I will be posting in my closet is this cute little mesh jacket. Then I have some Jordans, so these will be listed in my closet as well. And then the last thing, I have a pair of Gucci sunglasses. They come in the case. They just look like this. They're super cute and super reflective. These will also be on my Poshmark. Don't forget to click that link in my description if you guys want to go check out the app as well as browse my closet. But without me rambling anymore, let's get this video started. What's up? It's Rochelle, back with another video. I keep playing with my hair because it's sticking to my head because it is so staticky. But anyways, today we have, okay, you're blinding me again. If you read the title of this video, you know what's going down. Zach and I are doing a little challenge. You ready to get challenged? We're doing the Walmart shopping challenge. So he has 40 bucks to spend. I have, actually let's do 30. We have to buy each other an outfit with 30 bucks.
Is it a funny outfit or like a practical outfit?
No, like this is a challenge.
Like
I'm gonna judge.
Better,
yeah, like who's better? Who has the better outfit?
Okay.
Zach has really good taste in clothes, so I'm actually scared. And I don't have that great a taste in clothes, so like this should be interesting. We're in the Walmart parking lot right now.
The last time we tried to film it here, they almost
kicked us
like
out.
Spying on us. It was weird.
So we're gonna have to keep it.
Freaking undercover elf to come look at us.
Undercover elf. So we're gonna have to keep it kind of low-key, but we're here at Walmart right now and we are just gonna jump right into this challenge. You ready? Ready to get your ass beat? What was that? I was going in for a handshake, not this. Okay, wish us luck. About to go get some clothes. See you in 5 seconds. Okay, so we just made it in. We're looking at shoes right now. He has to go find the bathroom first. And then we're going to split up. I'm gonna pick out an outfit for him. He's gonna pick out an outfit for me. And then whoever does better wins. We're gonna get kicked out before we even buy anything, but I found what I'm gonna get Zach. I think this would look really good on him. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm in like the pants, joggers, and like shirt section right now. Just trying to find something. It's pretty difficult, not gonna lie. Okay, so far, I'm trying to be like quiet. But I got him 2 things. I got him a shirt and a jacket. I'm trying to find pants, but it's low-key pricey here, and I didn't think it would be as pricey as it is. But it's kind of impossible to find it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get him shoes and stay in the budget, so right now still trying to find pants. Okay, I'm gonna try to find Rochelle some clothes. There's like a lot here, so I'm not really sure like what to get, but I'm gonna try, so we'll see. Okay, so I got some leggings for Rochelle, just some black ones. Figured that's probably like the easiest thing to match with. So scratch the leggings because they were way too expensive. It was like $15. So I got jeans instead. They're only $8. I don't know why they're less expensive. So I'm gonna try to find a top now. So we just got back in the car. Our bags are in the back. He doesn't know what I got. I don't know what he got. Honestly, we're craving chocolate right now, so we're probably gonna go to some bakery, get some sweet stuff, and then we'll go home and see who picked out the better outfit. Who do you think it was, babe?
Probably you.
Really?
Actually, no, my outfit's kind of, I mean, the one I picked for you is pretty good.
The outfit I picked is pretty good too, so we shall see who wins. But yeah, we're gonna go get some dessert and then we will catch you guys at the house trying on the clothes. We just got home and my early birthday present, early Christmas present came in the mail and I'm so freaking excited. Please look at this. It's really tiny, but she's cute. We love her. Thanks to me and Zach because we split it 50-50. Okay, so we're gonna show each other what we got. Oh, hey, pimple, let's not show you. So, we are back at the house right now. We look so pale. We need to go on a vacation somewhere tropical.
We are.
Because, I know we are, but I'm just saying, like, we really need to. I'm going to show Zach the clothes I picked out for him, and he's going to show me the clothes he picked out for me.
Why'd you say that so different?
Because I know I did good, and I'm just worried for you.
Whatever.
I'm gonna go first. Pretty much though, this challenge has taught me that Walmart is not as cheap as they say they are.
Yeah,
because,
it's kind of expensive.
Yeah, the clothes were pretty pricey if I'm being honest, but there's like, Jesus is on your face. You gotta like come right here.
I am Jesus.
Okay, whoa, don't get too crazy now.
See him glowing.
Alright, so yeah, this challenge was actually pretty difficult to stay in a $30 budget, so we had to up the budget to $40 and I still went over.
I didn't. I stayed under.
I went over like $1. So I still went over and I didn't even get to get you shoes.
I didn't get shoes.
And I didn't get you accessories or anything fun because I'll just show you what I got. But okay. Pretty much I only got 3 things. Okay, so the first thing I got was this white quick dry tee. It's like a sports
It's
t-shirt.
like a Nike dry fit material.
Yeah, and it's just white.
It's actually nice. I like these shirts.
You like this?
Yeah.
And it's a size large. You think that's gonna fit?
Oh, so you're saying I'm a large? Just kidding. I wear large everything.
Think it's gonna fit? Okay, well he's gonna try. I'm gonna make him try it on.
This is actually nice. Like I actually like. I'll probably wear this.
Really?
Yeah. This is
you
actually
like
good quality.
Okay.
So
Walmart's
not that bad.
Okay, so the next thing I got him was this. So Zach really likes sweaters like this. What is this called?
Zip up.
Like
sweater.
a zip up sweater, but it has like kind of a
casual,
turtleneck.
but could also be formal
Dressed
if you
up,
wear
yeah.
it with the right outfit. You know?
Yeah. So I got you the white shirt to wear underneath this, and I thought this was fire. I like this color on you.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good.
And it's soft. So
I'm excited so far. This is pretty good. I'm getting some new clothes. Nice.
Okay, okay. The next thing I got him were some jeans. I got him a nice pair of black jeans. I honestly don't know. You're 32, right?
Yep.
I honestly don't know how these are gonna look because the jean section was a little bit in Walmart.
Do they have a skinny section?
This was like slim.
Oh. Yeah.
Like a slim fit.
We'll see.
We'll see how these look. But yeah, that's all I got because I went over budget.
Okay, is it my turn?
Yeah, you show me what you got now.
Now.
And then we'll try them on.
Okay.
Okay.
So first, I got this white long sleeve t-shirt. And not even gonna lie to you guys, I got this in the men's section. But I needed a shirt that would go under what else I got, so this works. You know, it looks like a woman's shirt. Got that. That was pretty good.
I need more long sleeves, so I'm interested to try that on. I love how you got a white shirt and I got a white shirt.
Well, like you have to get it for under.
Yeah.
This is actually nice. Like I feel like Rachelle will wear this. This is a cardigan, gray, like soft It's actually pretty nice.
like this.
It's not bad.
Wait, the camera can't even really see it, but
well, it's long.
It's a long gray cardigan. You'll see it when I try it on.
It's long. It's like not bad. Not gonna lie, pretty nice.
Yeah.
And then this is just like Rachelle. It's kind of weird because we got like the same type of outfit each. But then I got some jeans, which honestly they didn't have her size, so I just excuse me went up two sizes. At the same time, I don't know, maybe they'll fit. This is the smallest size Walmart had and all the jeans that they offered, so this is what I got. So if that all fits together, I think it will look pretty good.
I think you did a good job, but I'm not really a fan of the jeans.
Neither am I, so it's fine.
But it's fine. Let's just try it on now and see how they look. Because that's, hang on, because that's the ultimate test.
Was there a need to do that? Bye. Pretty good, huh?
Your whole outfit looks pretty good? Wow. I'm sorry. Tell that to the vlog.
My outfit looks pretty good.
Oh, who did a good job? Okay, so we have our outfits on. I'm wearing a red bra and a white shirt, which is not a good combo. So like, don't.
If I stand in front of the Christmas
tree
because I'm a present.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you Zach's outfit now.
It looks pretty good.
Ooh, okay. Look at that.
Try to do a spin.
Yeah, do a spin. Show us what you're working with. Look at that present.
Wrap me up, put me under there.
Yeah, those actually look really fire. The jeans, I'm actually really obsessed with.
Only Subies and Naked and Famous jeans, but honestly, I'm going to Walmart now.
Yeah, Walmart's the place to go. Bentley. Wait, look at his little vest. Aw, look at your vest, boy. Look at his vest. He doesn't like it.
He's trying to get this jacket. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, the whole fit is fire, babe.
Is
Wait, take it off and show us the white shirt.
the shirt.
Oh, even the shirt is fire, yeah.
Even just this by itself. If you didn't tell me that these were from Walmart, I mean, even that I know that they're from Walmart, but like if you didn't tell me, I'd be like, damn, why'd you spend so much on an outfit for me?
Dang.
Because these are nice, not gonna lie.
Scale 1 to 10, how'd I do?
10 out of 10, baby.
Heck, pound it. That's that shit I like to hear. Okay, my turn. Should I leave the shirt like normal? How it normally is?
Yeah, and then you can do a little.
Okay, so this is the outfit.
Okay, so we got the whole fit going. The jeans look better than I thought they would. Let's
Really?
see that price, baby.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah,
$7.78. That's what I like to see.
I like the cardigan a lot.
Yeah, the cardigan's really nice. I feel like you'll wear that a lot.
100% I'll wear this.
The jeans, not bad, but if you don't like them, it's whatever. The shirt is a little wonky. I wish I got a different shirt, but I couldn't find like a skinny one.
Yeah. So, being that the shirt doesn't fit, I mean...
What are you gonna rate me?
I'm gonna rate you. Because of this shirt, babe, I'm gonna have to give you an 8.
Emily, come here.
Oh, he's a present boy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below who you think won this challenge. Also, don't forget to go check out my Poshmark. That'll be linked down below in the description. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Mwah. Bye.